My third and final day in the Netherlands. I took the train from Driebergen to Amsterdam for a day of sightseeing. I couldn't make my first visit to the country without seeing the capital. Amsterdam is known for its artistic heritage, elaborate canal system, and narrow houses with gabled facades, legacies of the city's 17th century golden age. Though Amsterdam has a number of world-renowned museums, I knew I probably only had the energy for one. Since my university degree was a Bachelor of Fine Arts, and Van Gogh was my favorite painter, the Van Gogh Museum was my destination. Here are all the sights along the way. This looked like an appropriate cafe for some refreshment. Except for the heat and humidity, and the pickpockets in the train stations. I loved Amsterdam and would like a return visit when I have more time.
So I had to walk down at the end where all the smokers are. But yeah, they're just working their way up and they're watching me. Very end of the platform, because I know there's a group of thieves, pickpocketers that are down there. And I was down there before, and every time I turned around to look at them, they turned around quickly to hide their faces. And they had just announced over the loudspeaker in the station that there are pickpocketers and to be careful. So I had to walk down to the end where the smokers are. And it's really, really hot and humid.
Becky picked me up from the train station in Utrecht and gave me a tour of the countryside in her car. You can't go to Holland without seeing a windmill, so we went to the ocean side. On the way back, we stopped for ice cream and watched the swans teaching their cygnets how to dive for seagrass. Swans remain a family with their babies for a full year. Next morning, I would be on my way to Hamburg.